everyone, and welcome to another episode of Doc Series. Today we'll be talking about vaccination and immunizations with particular focus to the HPV vaccine. So first off, let's ask ourselves, what's a vaccine and what's an immunization? Now, we often hear the terms vaccine and immunization used a lot, especially when we're referring to children. However, a vaccine is one of the greatest breakthroughs in medical history. What it is essentially is either dead or inactive viruses that have been turned into medication or drugs that can be given as injections or orally. And what this do is that they then teach your body to learn what these viruses are before you ever even encounter them and to form immunity against them, which is the process of immunization. Now, like I said, we hear this a lot when we're talking about children, but adults are not excluded from the process of vaccination or immunization. Now, one of the most important vaccines an adult can receive is the HPV vaccine. Now, let's get into that. What is the HPV vaccine? The HPV vaccine, or HPV, stands for Human Papillomavirus. Now, what this is that it's one of the commonest sexually transmitted infections. It's a virus that is also responsible for causing certain cancers, most notably cervical cancer, but also penile, oral, or other forms of genital cancer. Now, the certain strains of HPV that can cause these cancers are what the vaccines are for. And so these vaccines not just stop you from getting infections, but also from getting cancer. Now, how does the HPV vaccine work? The HPV vaccine works best before sexual contact or before being contacted sexually, which is why it's advised to be taken adolescents or the ages 21 and above. However, for individuals who are already sexually active, there are methods to test for the virus before we give you the vaccine. Now, the vaccine comes in 3 doses. The first dose, which is taken, and then the second dose is taken after a month, and the next one, which is taken after 6 months. Now, this gives you lifelong coverage and protection, not just from the HPV infection, but also from oral, genital, and other forms of cancers. So get yourself protected today, get tested, and get vaccinated. For more information at this, visit us at Chem Health Diagnostics Center, Abuja. Thank you.